guys, I finally got the floor finished in my house. We just moved everything back into the living room last night, and I'm really happy with the floor. I think it looks great. It's still got some ripples in it from where I sanded it, but I'm not a professional. If I sell the house, I'll probably throw another coat of poly on the floor to cover any scuffs or anything like that. There are a few scuffs from moving stuff around. I don't know if you see that one right there, but I'll buff it out and poly it. I kept an oak wood threshold right there. It's not the same color, but it'll be all right. It's oak. And then so you got all the furniture back in here, and the TV back in here. And then we come down through here, and there's the hallway. I've got a piece of material to go here to transition from hardwood to whatever we decide to put in the dining room here. And we still got to paint the hallway. We haven't painted the hallway or the closet or anything in here yet. I did some repair work, as you can see right here. We did paint, well, I say we, my son Derek painted the living room. It's frost white with bright white ceiling, and then he did the semi-gloss on the trim. I don't know if you see the difference in color there. It's just a very light color. And then down the hall here in the master bedroom, I'm going to sand all these doors down and make them lighter. I'm not even going to put any stain on them, make them lighter. But I don't know what I'm going to do about that. That's where if something fell against the door and put a dent in it, I might could pop it back out and make it look a little better. But you go down the hallway here. That's the other room that I started. I still got to go back in there and put the baseboard down. We just moved in there so we could get the rest of the house done. We're fixing to probably move back in this room tonight. Let me back up a little bit. For some reason my camera does not want to do a wide angle today. But this is the master bedroom of my house. It's kind of small. It's 11 by 15. Just reinstalled the shelf board. I got to put the doors back up in here, but I'm going to do that after we do the move back in. And then this is the transition material. I got to notch out the floor so this will set flat on the floor. And I don't know if I'm going to nail it or glue it. I think it's unfinished, so yeah, it's unfinished. So I'm going to put some, maybe put some traditional stain on it, or some oil-based varnish, poly. See, this one looks a little darker than this one. So I'll probably put this one, I need a piece long enough to go in the dining room, but I need enough left over, which you couldn't get, so I had to buy 2 of them, to do a threshold for the bathroom right here when we do that. But anyway, back to the bedroom. I put the ceiling fan back up. That blade needs to be wiped again. Looks like cleaning solution was up in here and it ran down. Anyway, I painted all the registers with the Pliance paint. We painted the wall. This is a satin white from Lowe's, the Valspar. We got some new blinds, and these are the cordless blinds. And I tried to put them up with double-sided tape. Don't do that, it doesn't work. But when I say cordless, that means they just go up like that by themselves. And you just pull them back down like that. Like that. And yeah, we put both these up with double-sided tape. And this one broke a fin. That's all right. I'm going to take some off the bottom and replace them. You won't even know it's cracked. This one is different because it comes from Lowe's. That go up as quick as the other one over there. The other one I got from Walmart. I think it was, that one was $8.97. This one was $9.98. Still got some cleaning to do. That window needs a good cleaning. But yeah, no, I like the cord myself, but yeah, no, that's all they had. That's what everything's going to, cordless. But I put down the shoe mold, as you can see, all the way around the room. Looks really good. There's a joint right there. That joint came out really nice. And then we go around the room. I never could get that deep scratch out right there. But yeah, it's nice. All the doors that are stained like this are going to come down, and I'm going to sand them, and they're going to look like kind of like the floor, natural. And then I'm just going to poly them, and that'll be that. So yeah, everything came along real nice. I didn't work my butt off in the closets, as you can see, but it looks really nice. I went around and changed out all the wall plates and receptacles. Got new receptacles, new wall plates all the way around the room, white on white. And looks really nice. Next step will be to sand the walls in the hallway and paint, but I think I'm going to do that as part of the kitchen finish, because I still got to replace kitchen cabinets and do the kitchen floor, and I got some drywall to do in there, and then we're going to paint it all at one time probably. And I'm going to slick finish the ceiling like I did in here and in the master bedroom. I know I showed you the ceiling, but I didn't say nothing about it. Yeah, I slick finished the ceiling in here. Looks really good. That's the best I've ever done on a slick ceiling, because this one in this living room does not look like that. It does not look like that. It's dips and valleys everywhere. But this was a nightmare. It had some damage. This area right in here was falling down because the air conditioner leaked, and I had to fix it. And then over here there was a leak before, and they just covered it up, and I had to patch that. Yeah, these are the cordless blinds as well. And also, I put trim on the inside of the window. I didn't have trim there before. And also did that in the bathroom, made a windowsill in the bathroom. Looks really nice. I like the way these have the big broad header on them. Makes them look nice. In here I also replaced all the wall plates and receptacle covers and stuff. And we got the shoe mold down right there. So everything turned out nice, I think. It feels a lot bigger in the house, sounds a lot bigger, and everything just feels nicer, smells nicer, the air is fresher, and that was the whole point of everything. We cleaned the ceiling fan, put it back up, and painted the vents in here. Same thing. But yeah, everything looks really nice. Alright, well, let me get out here and get my dog. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please share and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Y'all have a great day.